Attorney, pwede pong pa-discuss kung ano ang unjust vexation kasi may nakita ko na isang vlogger inaresto dahil po sa unjust vexation. Ang unjust vexation ay isang krimen under Article 287 Paragraph 2 of the Revised Penal Code. Nangyayari ito kung isang tao ay sinasadya niyang manggulo, manginis, mangirita, or magdulot ng abala sa ibang tao ng walang sapat na dahilan. So the gravamen of the crime of unjust vexation is the disturbance of other person's peace of mind or tranquility. Kaya nga, tinatawag itong unjust vexation kasi sa walang kadahilanan, ikaw ay nanggugulo, nangiirita, o nangdidisturbo sa ibang tao. Now, kung ikaw naman ay nahatulang may sala, under Article 10951 as amended, you will suffer the penalty of imprisonment, arresto menor, so that is 1 day to 30 days, or a fine ranging from 1,000 pesos to 40,000 pesos, or both, meaning you will suffer both penalty of imprisonment and fine. Okay, so I hope that's clear, and that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.